Greetings friends, welcome to video number 1 of our international short-term mission trip packing series. Today we are going to talk about our day pack, not only our airplane pack but our day pack. This particular pack has shrunk in size over the years to where it's very comfortable for what I want to get accomplished. So let's take a look at the outside. So we have a couple pockets back here. We have some pens, always looking for a pen. On this side we have two very cool water bottle holders, and this by clipping your water bottle into your day pack like this, it gives you freedom of movement without having to carry a water bottle. I also have on this backpack a lock. You never know what you're going to need to lock. On the outside over here we have a green scarf that I use for a lot of different reasons, to wipe sweat off my head, to get things out of my eyes, but I also use it when I go to a restaurant and I'm presented with a plate, and on that plate there may be some droplets of water. We just don't know where that water is coming from, so I wipe it down. Always have this handy. Maybe wipe down on top of a water bottle or a Coca-Cola bottle, something like that. So I always have that on the outside of my day pack. Now there's 3 sections to this day pack, section number 1, 2, and 3. So what I'm going to do right now is just quickly go through the things that I carry in each section. So pocket number 1 is the things I get to quite frequently during the day. So in here we have a very small point and shoot camera. I take not only my cell phone for cameras, but I also take this because oftentimes in the prisons that we go to, they won't allow us to take the cell phones in, but they will let us take a point and shoot camera. So you can see this is small, thin, lightweight. Also, if you remember from the previous video, I talked about the same place rule. This is my passport. I keep my passport in the same place every single moment of the day. Again, it's got the orange color. Color is better than black. You won't lose that. In the back, we have a couple things that I always carry around. We have my global entry card, we have my credit card, we have my SkyMiles account card. In addition, back in the back, I have our ministry provides our people traveling with 2 laminated pieces of information. On this side, we have the American Embassy location, street address, phone numbers. On this side, we have a map of where we're going to be staying, the cell phone numbers of the team members, so if we need to, anybody gets separated, we can certainly text them. And then of course we laminate our health insurance card that we buy prior to leaving on our trip. All that, and also I should say, I always keep my yellow immunization card back here in the back pocket. So all that is contained in the passport cover, and I keep that in the same place all the time so I don't lose it and don't freak out if I can't find it. So it's always there. In addition, I always have a bottle of hand sanitizer. Constantly using this throughout the day to kill germs. Each of our team members carries one of those around as well. I have another pocket for pens, but I also carry a small container of Band-Aids. Someone's always in need of a Band-Aid. I also carry my business card in this pocket number 1. I carry fingernail clippers. What else do I carry in here? I think that's about it for now. So that's pocket number 1. So pocket number 2 are things that I carry not so much, or need to get to not so much. And in here we have my journal, very thin journal. I used to carry thick journals on other trips, then decided to scale back, and so I keep notes of people's contact information. I keep notes on hotels. I keep notes on finances. I journal what we're doing on any particular day just as a memory jog. So I always carry a journal, and I would suggest that you do as well. In addition to that, I also carry a black money pouch. Now this kind of breaks the rule of color versus black. This is one of those things that I really don't want to stand out. I want it to blend in. So I always keep that there. And then of course, right handy is my Bible. Now this is much thinner and smaller than my hometown Bible. Don't want to carry that. It's thicker, it's heavier. In fact, this is actually called a backpacking Bible. Of course, the print is a little bit smaller, and as your eyes change and age, you may want to think that, but for right now, this works for me. So in the section number 2, or pocket number 3, I should say, pocket number 3, we have pocket number 1, pocket number 2, and pocket number 3. So these are the things that I carry to use. We have my sunglasses in here. Always carry an umbrella. I have been caught in some horrendous thunderstorms, rainstorms, and been drenched, and then the cold wind comes through and you get chilled to the bone. So I always carry an umbrella. Let's see, also this is a selfie stick that I carry. Interesting selfie stick. This is obviously extendable. It has a little remote Bluetooth so that you can set it up at a distance, click it on, speak. The other thing that I really like about this selfie stick is that it's got feet, so that you can set it up almost anywhere, click it on, and be speaking, and now you got a video blog of some of the things that you're experiencing. So if you're going to get a selfie stick, spend a little bit more money and get one that works for you. So also, what else? Oh, also have a headlamp. Oh my goodness, I've been out, sunset has occurred, things start getting dark, and when they get dark, they get really dark. And there have been a couple times that these headlamps have been a lifesaver for us. Back here in the back, I also carry a whistle. Never needed to use it, but it's always there for safety. And also back here in the back is some tissue. I used to carry a roll of thick toilet paper. I don't do that anymore. If I'm ever out and about and the facilities are nowhere to be had, you always have an emergency small little napkin sack that you can use. So that's I think that's it for our video number 1. I hope that has been helpful to you. Take a look at it from your own set of eyes. Pack what you need. Think about scaling down. Also want to invite you to, if you have any unique tips that could help other believers as they go across the world to minister the gospel, I would suggest that you email me at gbtpfy@gmail.com. That's gbtpfy@gmail.com. Thanks much, and looking forward to seeing you on video number 2. Thanks much, and God bless.